Gato Sales Repairs has had the Kobelco dealership since 1998, and we've been supplying the Central Coast, Newcastle and Hunter region into the mid-north coast, solely dealing with Kobelco excavators. So the latest machine we are delivering here at Gato is the Kobelco SK850, which is going to be the first one delivered in Australia. It's a pretty big achievement for Gato and Kobelco. That machine's going to Leidan Excavations and is going to go into the mining sector. They're bought for bulk earthworks, moving as much dirt as you possibly can. We're excited to have this SK850 here before it goes out with you guys to show you around the machine. We'll go for a walk over and have a look at it. You'll notice we've fitted a quick fill for the diesel system on this, simply so you don't have to jump on top of the machine to fill it up. You can fill it up from ground level. We've also fitted an aftermarket auto greasing system on it, which will just keep constantly pumping grease into every pin of the machine, keeping it 100% greased, not relying on operators' error of not greasing it. Now around to the front of the machine, we have a few more electrical specifications. E-stop from the ground level. We have the auto grease quick fill, so when the grease system does run out, it's just an auto grease quick fill there. We've got your burst protection for your MDG 15 specification with your whip checks on all those hoses. On the front of the cab there, we have the OPG card, Operator Protective Guard. That's just simply to put another level of protection on top, along with your FOPs on top of the machine and your ROPS cab. Right, in the cab of the SK850 in here, a couple of the features are obviously nice big high back air suspension seat, which is super comfy for the operators, nice big cab. Built-in camera into the screen with a second camera, right hand side camera, so you can see it. A bit of the stuff for the MDG stuff would be site specific UHF radio, standard UHF radio, and all our controls for our fire suppression and hydraulic steps on my left hand shoulder here. Besides that, we have the factory rotating proportional controlled circuit on my left hand and my hammer auger circuit on my right hand controls. We need these inclinators as part of the MDG 15 spec, just so you're not out of a certain degree. So if you see on your right hand side there, so again, a second set of inclinators with your sticker showing what grade and maximum grade you're allowed to work at. Come through to our serviceman walkway here. We can open this right up, get to our hydraulic filter there, open that up, get to air filters, get to engine bays, all very simple. From a servicing point of view, this is a dream to work on. Hydraulic filters, everything there, engine right there. There's more doors on this thing than what you can imagine, so all very easy to access. So what you're looking at here is you're looking at braided fuel lines for the fuel system. This is another MDG 15 requirement, so we put them on every fuel line on the machine. Here we're looking at the hydraulic pumps of the SK850, very accessible and serviceable, along with, you can see you've got your fire suppression hoses up the top here for any fires, again for the MDG 15 specification. We've got the breather down here for the diesel quick fill. Around the back of the machine up here, you will see we've got our two big fire suppression extinguisher tanks. So this Sandvik fire suppression system is a pretty well-renowned system on the market. That's why we decided to run with them guys. They've done a couple of Wes's machines in the past, and they're a pretty proven product. So we decided to run with them again for this machine. Thanks for coming on the walk around this SK850 today. We're super excited to showcase this beast of an 85-ton machine. It really goes to show what Kobelco and their dealers can do for you and your business moving forward, from anything from 1 tonne to 85 tonne. Get in touch with your local dealer through the website at kobelco.com.au and they'll be able to sort you out.